Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Today, as you can see, we are doing my so tasty chicken curry. It's very delicious and you can have it with whatever you want to. It's so good and it's very flavorful. So come along with me and let's do this. So guys, this is my chicken. I'm using hard chicken or hen. Okay, but you can use broiler, you can use soft chicken, whichever chicken you prefer is all good. This is what I prefer. So yeah, I'm going to just season this chicken with my lovely spices. Okay, yeah, so I have some spices here. I have some ginger, some cumin, some coriander, some turmeric, okay, some cloves powder. Okay, I'll put all of it down below in the description box. So I'll just mix them together nicely so that is evenly distributed. All right, and some salt. I've added salt to it as well. Okay, so this is what I'm going to put on my chicken, so just come along with me. So guys, I have my oil in the pan. I'm using Rapseed oil and I put my onions. You need to have lots of onions, okay? There's lots of onions, chopped onions, because it's the onions that will make your curry taste so lovely and so sweet and oh, lovely. So you have to make sure that the onions really cook nicely and caramelize. That's what I like. So I'll let it cook nicely. So as you can see, my onion is caramelized nicely. Look at that. So I'm going to add my ginger and garlic cubes. Okay, that's my ginger and garlic cubes in there, or you can add fresh ginger and garlic, whichever you prefer. It's all good. Smells so good. Oh, I love this. It's amazing. The aroma is so lovely, I tell you. I'm adding my chopped tomatoes. Okay, I'm doing a big pot, so that's why I have a lot of tomatoes. Yeah, I love tomatoes. I love the sweetness. Okay, so I allow this to just cook nicely. As you can see, it's really cooked lovely and it's soft. So the next thing I'm going to add is my coconut milk. All right, oh, it smells absolutely delicious in here. The coconut gives it a lovely smell, guys. I'm adding my marinated chicken. Okay, you know the chicken is marinated nicely, have a lot of spices on it. So yeah, I put all my chicken in, and because it's hard chicken, it's hen, okay, it takes a bit of time to cook. If you use any soft chicken, it will just take a few minutes to cook, but I'm using hard chicken. So yeah, I'll add all of them together nicely, and I'm going to add warm water, this hot water actually, and so that I'll allow it to cook nicely and all the spices will be infused into the curry and into the chicken. Oh my goodness, this one, I tell you, is so lovely. You have to try this recipe. So guys, I'm checking on my curry. Smells amazing in here. I did put a little bit of tomato puree, just about a tablespoon in it, but this is optional. You can add it if you prefer. I prefer using it. So yeah, smells so good. I'm going to add some spices. So I'm adding some curry powder, and also I'm adding some fenugreek powder as well. It tastes amazing. Guys, you need to try this recipe. Smells so good. So I'll just leave it to cook for a bit because I need the meat to be tender, and then we can get off from there. So guys, my curry is done. I'm adding some greens, some spring onions, and some coriander leaves, okay, to give it color and also to make it taste absolutely delicious. It's lovely. and it smells so good. It adds a lot to the taste as well. My goodness, it's lovely. So yeah, it is done, and you can have it with anything of your choice. It's absolutely lovely. So guys, this is our chicken curry. It tastes amazing. It smells so good. You have to try this recipe. As you can see, it's very easy to do. It goes really well with white rice, okay, and it's lovely with white rice. Try it and you are going to love it. So if you like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up, okay, and do subscribe to my channel and share this recipe as well. And please, when you subscribe, do put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.